A political row over a US media report that said Facebook content's policies favor the ruling BJP has led to 3 MPs sparring on Twitter. The fight erupted over the Congress MP Shashi Tharoor saying that the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology, which he heads, may summon Facebook over the report published on Friday by the Wall Street Journal. The issue of Facebook apparently ignoring the virulent communal comments belonging to members of the party in power in India has sparked off not only a political row but also a Twitter war. Shashi Tharoor is handling the barbs from the BJP as BJP MP Nishikant Dubey attacked Tharoor, saying he had no right to do so without authorization. Trinamool Congress MP Mahua Moitra backed the Congress MP. Dubey has reportedly urged MPs of the BJP and its allies in the committee to write to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla against Shashi Tharoor. The Wall Street Journal reports claim that Facebook deliberately ignored disruptive content from the member of the ruling BJP as well as right-wing voices and groups who have been flagged internally. When Congress leader Rahul Gandhi retweeted the report on Sunday, Shashi Tharoor posted, Parliament Standing Committee on Information Technology would certainly wish to hear from Facebook about this report and what they propose to do about the hate speech in India. To which the BJP's Nishikant Dubey, who is a member of the panel, retorted, the chairman of the standing committee does not have the authority to do anything without discussions of the agenda with its member. Shashi Tharoor stopped Rahul Gandhi's agenda without authorization by committee and speaker. The BJP's comment provoked a strong response from Trinamool Congress MP Mahua Moitra, also a member of the Standing Committee on IT. IT committee member agenda item was already agreed and bulletinized with Speaker's approval at the beginning of the year. When to schedule each item and who to call is the chairman's prerogative, she tweeted. Tharoor responding to Mahua Moitra's tweet posted, "You are absolutely right. By imputing motives to my decision, Nishikant Dubey has brought the committee's work into disrepute, a matter I will take up." Nishikant Dubey responded to both. Please read rule number 269. Regards, he said to Mahua Moitra. The rule, according to a screenshot tweeted by Moitra, says a witness may be summoned by an order signaled by the Secretary General and shall produce such documents as are required for the use of a committee. On Tharoor's tweet, he said, "Thanks for your comment. Time will tell who brought the committee's work into disrepute, Mr. Chairman." Bureau Report.